Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is where the 2020 Audi A4 battery is located. So it's not under the hood. So what you got to do, you got to lift the back up, and this is where the spare tire was. So I took the spare tire off, and now you can see the battery down there. So if you're like me and you're troubleshooting an electronics issue, you know, you want to unplug the battery, and that's what I what I was trying to do, and I didn't realize that it was in the trunk. But now you know. So if you couldn't find your Audi's battery, it's probably in the trunk. Hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to like this video, subscribe, share with others, and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.